In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Asana. Forms in Asana are a great way to collect information in a consistent, structured way and turn it directly into tasks. This is perfect for things like support requests, design briefs, or internal requests from other teams. I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Asana and go to the home view of the project where you want the form to live. It's important that you're in the correct project because every form you create will automatically create tasks inside that specific project. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're in the project, look for the Customize button, usually found in the top right area of the screen. Click on Customize. This panel is where you manage extra features for your project, like fields, rules, and, in this case, forms. Inside the Customize panel, find the section labeled Forms. This is where all of the forms connected to this project will be managed. Click on Forms to open that section. If this is your first time here, it might be empty and that's completely fine. Next, click on the Add button in the Forms section. This tells Asana you want to set up a new form for this project. From the options that appear, select Add New Form. This will open the form editor where you can set up what information you want people to submit. Think about the purpose of the form before you start typing so your questions are clear and useful. Now type in the details for your form. Give your form a clear title that tells people what it's for, like marketing request or IT support request. Add a helpful description if needed, explaining who should use the form and what kind of information you expect. Then add questions or fields for all the information you need, such as names, dates, links, or specific requirements. Use required fields for anything you absolutely must have to complete the work. When you're happy with the setup, click on Create Form. Asana will save it and link it to your project. From here, you can share the form link with your team or other stakeholders, and every response they submit will automatically show up as a